Hi, it's Jenny at AnxietyBoss.com. Our question today is from Pat in San Antonio. Can anxiety cause belching and gas? Most of the health problems of the 21st century are attributed to two things: excessive anxiety and bad eating habits. Anxiety is the number one risk factor for major disease development, as well as a host of unpleasant and embarrassing symptoms. We need to relax and eat slowly because belching and gas are two kinds of stomach distresses which come about when a person eats too quickly and swallows too much air while eating. We all swallow small amounts of air when eating, but when we're stressed, we tend to gulp in food too quickly. Hyperventilation or rapid breathing results from nervousness and anxiety, causing air to be gulped in. This excess air returns up through the esophagus and comes out of the mouth as a burp or a belch. Carbon dioxide levels need to be increased to slow the breathing rate, and this can be achieved by either breathing into cupped hands or a paper bag, or to breathe through pursed lips. Physiologically, the body has mechanisms to protect it from the damaging effects of stress. However, if stress is relentless, belching and increased gas can occur, as well as disruption of the digestive processes. Gas and belching is a short-lived reaction, but it can cause discomfort, pain, and even social issues. Can anxiety cause belching and gas? Yes, it can, but the good news is that anxiety is one factor in your life that you can actually change. There are effective coping mechanisms and therapeutic treatments to help identify the source of your anxiety and also to learn to cope with some of the stress that you can't seem to get rid of. Try to relax through slow breathing and holding your breath speed to avoid getting extra air entering into your body. You can also control your eating habits to help avoid severe anxiety reactions, like eating oil-free food that is easy to digest, drinking lots of water to help keep yourself relaxed and fresh, and taking sufficient amount of sleep to bear with any problem that you might face.